Welcome back to the Power-Tec Nitrogen Plastic Welding series. A lower mounting flange should look like this. But what if it looks like this? Backed up with the aluminium foil, it's easy to build up material with the nitrogen welder. Again, use the compression clamps to set the plastic filler material to the desired shape. Add more filler material to build up the thickness. And clamp again. Remove the backing foil tape and continue welding to add material as necessary. Use the mini sander to bring the repaired area back to the correct profile. Drill a new hole and we're back in business. Strong and flexible. Next time we save rather a lot of money by repairing a broken headlamp unit mounting lug. Easy when you know how. See you soon!